lift this alone, but together we can carry it farther. I know one road, you know another. Someone else can see the bridge neither of us noticed. There are things no single pair of hands was meant to build. So bring your voice, I'll bring mine. Not because they sound the same, because harmony needs more than one note. I don't lose myself when I stand beside you. Sometimes I discover parts of myself I could never see alone. This is what we can become when I doesn't disappear but learns how to say we. Then we decide to belong and needed rules. Speak like us, think like us, just like us. Remember the story the way we remember it. Don't ask that question, don't make this uncomfortable. Don't stand too far from the center. We called ourselves united because everyone who disagreed had learned to stay quiet. Then we needed someone outside, someone who wasn't us, of them, to make the we feel stronger. We drew the circle tighter, protected it, defended it, until unity became uniformity and belonging became permission. I looked around at everyone standing together and wonder where all the people had gone. So bring your difference,